Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the remarkable features of the Sony WH-1000XM4 noise-canceling headphones, a product that has set a new standard in audio technology. The Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones are designed for those who seek an unparalleled listening experience. With industry-leading noise cancellation, these headphones utilize advanced algorithms to block out ambient sounds, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your music or podcasts. Whether you are in a bustling cafe or on a crowded train, the WH-1000XM4 ensures that distractions are minimized. One of the standout features of these headphones is their adaptive sound control. This intelligent technology automatically adjust the noise cancellation settings based on your activity and environment. For instance, if you are walking, the headphones will allow some ambient sound in, ensuring you remain aware of your surroundings. Conversely, when you are seated and still, the noise cancellation intensifies, providing a serene listening experience. Comfort is paramount, and the WH-1000XM4 excels in this area. With plush ear cups and a lightweight design, these headphones are perfect for extended use. Whether you are working from home or traveling long distances, you can enjoy hours of comfortable listening without fatigue. The battery life of the WH-1000XM4 is impressive, offering up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge. Additionally, a quick 10-minute charge provides up to 5 hours of playback, making them ideal for those on the go. Furthermore, the headphones feature touch sensor controls, allowing you to manage your music and calls effortlessly. With a simple tap or swipe, you can play, pause, skip tracks, or adjust the volume without needing to reach for your device. Lastly, the WH-1000XM4 is equipped with a built-in voice assistant, enabling you to access information and control your smart devices hands-free. This feature enhances convenience, making these headphones not just a listening device but a versatile companion for your daily life. In conclusion, the Sony WH-1000XM4 noise-canceling headphones combine cutting-edge technology, exceptional comfort, and user-friendly features, making them a top choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. If you are looking to elevate your audio experience, these headphones are undoubtedly worth considering. Link in description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and technology updates.